Hi everyone, with a new video. Today I'm gonna show you how we can simulate a part with SolidWorks. So it's a easy example, and as you can see, I will create part, and this is the geometry of our part. So for the length, I will give it 180, and here I will give it 25 millimeters. Okay. Okay, click to extrude to give it thickness. I will give it 10 millimeter for thickness. Here we will go to this option to add simulation, SolidWorks simulation option, and okay. This option will show in this interface. As you can see here, simulation. Click to new study, and okay. Of course, it's a static study, and we have here multiple option like fatigue and thermal, and okay. I will give it a material. Here I will choose this steel material and apply and close. After that I will fix it in one side here in this surface. I will fix it. So okay. As you can see, we fix it in this side. Here we will give this part force in this side, in this edge. You can select the direction with this option. Select direction of this force, and we will choose this direction. Okay. So after that we will run this study. This maybe take a while. After that you will get this result. We have here von Mises, we have displacement, we have all the results we want. This is easy. We can run animation for this result and slow it or make it quick. Okay. So this is our video for this is the video. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.